All right, February 5th, this was my first full day in Adelaide, so of course I started off with my normal trip to Coles. I also saw this cool guy, so of course I had to get a little photo. And I just also wanted to show like some of the beautiful art that there is in Adelaide because it's literally all around. You can also just see like how beautiful the weather was. It was a little hot, but still super nice. Another really pretty road just like right along the main highway, and it really just adds a little bit of life to the place. They also have a university here, so there was a lot of really cool walkways and art and sculptures just along the path. Just get a load of how beautiful this was. Absolutely amazing. After that, I went over to the Botanic Gardens. These were free to enter, which was fantastic, and Krista found some pretty cool stuff. Oh my god, so I'm at the Botanic Gardens, and I was like, oh, cutesy little like look up into the trees. But oh my god, these are bats, I'm assuming? Freaking massive. What? I am simply deep in bat territory. This is crazy. Look at these guys. Yo, what are these guys planning? Moving around the rings like that? Oh my god. What? And alright, enough of bats. So just wanted to show a couple of cool things. So beautiful ficus walkway. They also have this water refill station with the Aboriginal name for water, which is really cool. They also have some massive trees, which were just incredible. Water lilies, everything here was really just so amazing and beautiful. So I had a grand old time. Also, bird sounds. I was also thrilled to see this eucalyptus tree because I didn't know what they looked like, but it absolutely smelled amazing in this area, which was so cool. I was just walking through and breathing in everything that I could. There's also this really cool looking pinball tree. I'll put the actual name up. And then I went on a little walk through the Bicentennial Conservatory, which I'll just let you watch. It was amazing. So I walked in to this Bicentennial Conservatory and it's raining. Look at that. Good thing I didn't shower today. That's crazy. There were also some of these Chalui glass sculptures, which were super neat. And okay, just a little bit of story time while you're looking at the beauty that the Botanic Gardens had to offer. I had literally written in my journal that I'm keeping the night before that I really didn't know if I was going to make any friends in Adelaide just because I was going off and doing my own thing, wasn't really trying to meet people. But I actually did end up spending the evening with a couple of girls in my hostel, which were very lovely. You'll see them in tomorrow's video. And also, when I was at the Botanic Gardens, I happened to meet this lovely couple from New Zealand, and we just hit it off, got to know them, and they actually, again, are people that you'll see in the next couple of days here. But wow, it's absolutely just so lovely. Just take a little moment and enjoy. But yeah, so I met the couple from New Zealand because we were talking about these cute little ducks along the way called grebes, and they were absolutely adorable. Also, Pest Krista was right. These are flying foxes, the little bats that are in the area, and that is official day one done. Hello. Hi, buddy.